So here I have taken example 2x square minus 6x plus 3 I have given. So in that, if I want to find the x value, that is roots of a given quadratic equation, means x equals to, this is b value, minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus b whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 here, that is divided by 2 into a, means 2 here. So minus into minus, plus 6 plus or minus 6 6 are 36 minus, you are going to get 24 divided by 2 2s are 4 here. So I'll get 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24 means 12 divided by 4. You know how to write 4 square root of 12, that is 2 root, that is 4 I can write it as, sorry, 12 I can write it as 4 into 3, isn't it? 4 into 3 means square root of 4 into 3. 4 if I take outside 2. So square root of 2 root 3 divided by 4 here. So what you will get 1, if I can take 2 as a common. So if I take 2 here, 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 4 here. So that 2 1s are 2 2s are, I can cancel. So I'll get 1 root as 3 plus root 3 by 2 as 1 root, and another 1 root is 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 here. So these are the roots of a given quadratic equation by using the formula. So next is, what are the discriminate root of a given quadratic equation means? Without finding the solution, that means you know 3 methods are there to find the given solution of a quadratic equation. So without finding them also, you can able to say it, that is whether they are having real roots or not. If for instance, if b square minus 4ac equals to 0, if you get it equals to 0 means you can expect 2 equal roots, that is real roots will be there. That is 1 root, if you got 3 means another one will also, you will get 3 itself. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the value if you get greater than 0, that is positive value if you get means, then you can expect 2 different real roots will be there. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is if you get negative values means the roots are imaginary, so no need to find out the solution for a given quadratic equation. So without finding the quadratic equation, by this formula itself you can recognize whether it has a real roots or an imaginary one. So similarly you can refer that discriminate root with the graph also, so that you will get in polynomial chapter. That is, you can see there are 2 roots are there. That means b square minus 4ac is greater than 2. 2 discriminate root. This is a graph for 2 discriminate root. That means where the graph will meet, the points on the x-axis will saying the roots of a given quadratic equation. You can observe here 1 root, because the curve here, it is parabola down here, it is parabola up. So these 2 curves, up and down curves, which meets at x-axis here, where that will be the roots of a given quadratic equation. It has 1 root here, here also 1 root. You can see the example where you will get imaginary root. That means if it is not touching any point on the x-axis, then it will have the imaginary root here. So remember, the quadratic equation should have a 2 solution here, then only you will say quadratic equation. If the graph is touching the x-axis at 3 or 4 points means it is not a given quadratic equation.